See, so this is the one this is actually the way I prefer it. If both equations were in slope-to-intercept form, again, for me, it just makes it pretty easy because it is slope-intercept form. It's going to tell you the slope and the y-intercept. So remember, slope can be represented with m. It's just better than writing the full word slope on this one. And I'll do this, I'll graph this equation, the top one, in red. So I'll do the work for it in red as well. The slope is showing -2, but again, I'm going to show it as -2/1. Which means that whenever we get a point on the line, I can just go down 2 to the right one forever from there, and that would create the line. Well, what's the y-intercept? Again, that's b. Now, b just shows as -1, but it is an ordered pair. 0, -1. That's a second term right there, right? Y equals mx plus b. So from here, we can put that point on the graph, 0, -1, and then we use the slope to figure out all the other points. And again, from this point, we go down 2 to the right one to get the next point, and then we'd go down 2 to the right one to get the next point. All right, so we have these 3 points in line, and again, it goes for both directions, and however you want to show that is up to you. You don't have to show the stair steps, obviously, but I like the stair steps because it kind of keeps me in order. I think I make less mistakes when I do. And again, I'm not connecting these points because I'm doing this by hand, and when doing it by hand like this, I fully expect the next line to fall on one of those red points, and I'll graph this one in green as well. So the second equation, the coefficient of x, that's the slope, shows 1/2. So that's up 1 to the right 2. From where though? Well, that's where we need the y-intercept, which is showing at 4. But again, it's the 0.04. So that would put us right there, right? Now, again, the slope. All right, so up 1 to the right 2, right? So yeah, that should be better. Up 1 to the right 2. So that gives us this point. And yeah, that's going to come together pretty nice. And whether you notice that right away or not is up to you. Right, again, those green points are getting farther away from the red line. But yeah, you can see as soon as we copy the stair step over, we hit the red point right there. So, and the other points, the green line would have seen going through these ones right here. But again, we're just worried about where these two connect, which I use a different color right there. And that point right there shows as -2, +3. And now that we got that down, we can connect these two, or the points on the line. There we go. Okay. So you'll need both on the quiz. You're going to have to graph. You will have to graph both lines, and then also, as far as I remember, you have to write those down on the quiz as well.